Okay, we're going to start a video of Debbie's car. Unfortunately, the sun is very bright, so I really can't see what I'm recording, so good luck. Alright, this is the front of the car. There's her license plate. I'm going to slowly walk around the side. See if we can get a side view here. Okay. Again, I'm having difficulty with the sun, so I really don't know how much of this I have. I'm going to back up. Here we go. We're going around. Go get your car keys. Going around. And I'm going to try and get the back. That's a motorcycle person coming up. Again, this is the back. Debbie's going to open the car, and we're going to see the interior. She's coming around. She's in her pajamas, so neither one of us are getting in this picture. Okay, just open the front. That's Deb opening the car.
Hi.
Okay, here we go. I'm going to get the interior. And here we are. I'm going to move it so you can see. And there it is. And here's the other side of the car from the interior. And then there's the back. And there's the 2008 Hyundai. Okay.